how to trim your Zoom recordings. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can trim your recordings in Zoom, or how you can trim your Zoom recordings. Now the first step is to sign in or log in into your Zoom account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, this is how the page looks like. Alright, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. And then once you're on this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, where you can see some options like home, profile, meeting, webinars, phones, personal contact, personal devices, whiteboard, and then you can see recordings. So once you see recordings, ensure you click on it. So once you click on recordings, you'll be redirected to the recordings page. All right, now so far I don't have any recordings. Okay, that's why it displays it's playing here. And then you will notice that there are two tabs. There is a cloud recordings and then local recordings. So you just pick the local recordings, at least the recordings of the meetings that you've had in the past. So once you're on this page, the next step is to select the recording you wish to trim. All right, after selecting the recording you want to trim, by the right side of the recording you will see the more options button. Ensure you click on it. Then in the options displayed, you will see the play button. Click on play on the recording thumbnail to open the viewer or editor. All right, then after you are on, once you're on the viewer on the editor's page, you'll see several icons as well. Ensure you select the scissors icon. The scissors icon is located at the bottom right of the player, and then drag the play head arrows to the desired start and finish times. I hope that is clear. After selecting the recording, click on play, and then once you click on play, you'll be directed to the viewer or the editor's page. Now once you're on the editor's page, navigate through to the bottom right corner of the player and click on the scissor icon. Then once you click on the scissor icon, you'll then be able to, you'll see some play head arrows around the recording, so you can then go ahead and trim it, remove what you want to remove, just play around with it and trim it the way you want. So that is it. It's very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.